Stas, can you figure out what kind of vine is this? Okay, this is vanilla Prophenelia vine, orchid. Yeah, I bought this during pandemic way back 2020, and I planted it here. So this is full of coconut husk before, but since I was already busy in my work, napabayaan ko siya. So it grow higher. So the plant is already there at the top of the Kakawati as host tree of the plant. So I decided to cut down a portion of the orchid since the orchid is not yet blooming or does not flowering. So I am still researching how to make the plant bloom. Decided to cut the topmost portion of the orchid. So this is it. So this is around 2 meters. I will be cutting at least two to three portion of this orchid to propagate again and let the orchid bloom. And so I'll show you later how will I do it. This is the coconut husk, and we will be using an old pot. I put it under the coconut tree so as to avoid the plant to be stressed and freed from excessive heat kasi ayaw po nila niyan. So let's wait and see until the plant um, regenerate new sprouts. And almost 2 meters of the almost 3 meters of the 2 meters rather of the vine cannot be cut into small pieces because it's thwarted, no, it's swirling.